Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and thank you for returning if you're a returning viewer. I can't believe it that we're here again. Literally 18 months on, we're here doing the same video that I did 18 months ago for my first little boy Arthur. If you don't know me already, my name is Katy. I have an 18-month-old little boy and I am packing my hospital bag for the second time. I do have a video of the first time I packed and I was definitely a first time mum overpacker, which is nothing wrong with that. But this time I'm a second time mum and I'm not taking it as much as I did the first time. So if you want to see the first video after this one and see how much I overpacked, I'll link it in the description below. This time I'm literally just taking this and that. That's for baby and that's for me, and that's all I'm taking. I don't want to overpack this time. I don't want all the extra mess and extra washing, and I just want things that are, like, we need like imminently, and things that will just get us through being at the hospital. Hopefully we won't be there that long. So let's jump into the video. So I'm actually packing a little bit earlier this time. Last time on, I've just been checking my first packing video. I was 39 weeks, or nearly 39 weeks, and I was so swelled. This time I don't think I'm that swelled. I'm not as swelled as I was with Arthur, but I am only 36 weeks. The reason I'm packing now is because I need to be prepared, because I'm the second time mum. Baby might come early, he might not, he may, but if he does, I need to be prepared. So yeah, I'm going to take you through everything, what I've got and the reasons why I've got it, and just show you what a second time mum who's a bit more laid back and just doesn't need to carry all the stuff first time round. So I'm going to firstly start off with this bag. This bag is off TikTok Shop. I think it holds like 20 litres or something like that, and it was literally £7, and inside it's really roomy. I had the same bag for Arthur in blue, but I bought it off Amazon last time and I think it was like £30, but I found this on TikTok Shop and it's the same bag, just a bit cheaper. If you are going to start packing, I would recommend just writing everything down, my hospital bag, in your notes, and just so you know you've got everything then, which is a lot easier, just in case you forget something and you get to hospital, you're like, oh my god, I forgot that. I just literally do this. I literally just get it and tick it all off. The second thing I'm going to show you is these wallet bags. So I did this with Arthur and I'm also doing it with this baby. I just find it a lot easier. Instead of folding everything in the bag, it's just so much easier to just put them separately in these plastic wallets, and then I just get some sticky labels and write what's in them, just in case there's an emergency or I can't move and Sam needs to look in my bags. We all know what men are like, so I just find it easier if I bag everything up separate, label them, and all he has to do is look at the front and he'll know what I mean. I got them off Amazon. I think I got 20 of them for like £7. Still got loads in the nursery if needed, but I just find them easier to just space everything out. So we're going to start with baby boy one first. So I've literally got in here 4 newborn vests, just in case he poops or leaks. I've got them in there. And then I've also got 4 newborn sleep suits. These are really cute ones from Next, and they've got like little elephants on. And then I've just got some like basic khaki ones as well, but some of these are so cute and I have shown them before in my vlog. Like, look at that one. It's got like little rabbits on it, and obviously it fits because, you know, we'll be in the month of April. Maybe we'll be in the month of April. We should be in the month of April. So I've just got 4 newborn vests and 4 newborn sleep suits. And then to go in that bag as well, I've just got this cute, look how cute that little card is. This was Arthur's and somebody knitted it for me, but I can't remember who it was, because I had so many knitted stuff. A lot of like my mum's work friends and some of Sam's mum's work friends knitted some stuff, so I can't remember who, but I think it was one of them ladies from work, and it's so lovely. So that is just literally a little cardie to pop on him when we're coming home. So that is literally all I'm taking for baby boy. So last time I took like 0 to 3 newborn, first size, 0 to 1 month, and 0 to 3 is far too big, and then 0 to 1 month I think was a little too big, so I'm just taking newborn this time. I've not had any growth scans like I did with Arthur. He's not like measuring big or anything, so I know I won't need like extra stuff. And if I do, for instance, if he leaks on all 4 of these sleep suits, we literally live like 7 minutes away from the hospital, so Sam can just come home and get some more. But yeah, I don't want to be an overpacker this time, so I'm literally just taking four sleep suits, 4 vests and a cardigan, and they're all in newborn sizes. And then this is like his like little toiletry bag, we'll say. So last time I took like Johnson's baby shampoo, and I don't know why, because I had no intentions of like bathing him or even like top to toe in him, because I know you're not supposed to wash babies till the cord falls off, and I don't like washing babies anyway, they're not dirty. But yeah, I took Johnson's baby shampoo, a full bag of nappies, like not even opened, and I just was trailing all this stuff back, so I'm not doing that this time. This time I'm just taking 8 nappies, which I still think is too much, but just in case we have a lot of meconium and a lot of leaks, we've got 8 nappies, which I think is a good amount, just in case I do need to stay in hospital like I did last time. I've brought 1 set of mitts. I think last time I brought like 4 sets. There's actually mitts built into the sleep suits that I'm taking, so I'm just taking these just if they're a little bit tight or anything, which they shouldn't be. I've never ever actually used mitts with Arthur throughout his whole life. I was really like on the ball with cutting his nails, so he never actually like scratched himself or anything like that. So yeah, I got mitts with Arthur but never really used them, so that's why I'm only taking 1 pair. And then a bib, I just thought this was relevant because it says born in 2025. And then 1 muslin, just in case I need it. I don't think I'm going to need it because I'm breastfeeding, but it's in the bag there anyway. And then 2 hats, literally just a little white one and a little blue one. One for coming home and one while we're in the hospital. Obviously baby doesn't need a hat on, only for the first 24 hours, so one for 24 hours and one while we're outside coming home. And then just a packet of cotton wool wipes, and I'm going to take some sterile water with me to do the nappies. Obviously for the first couple of weeks I do only use water and cotton wool. I just think it's the nicest on baby's bum. To save him having not a sore bum, I take cotton wool. That is literally all his toiletries. I'm not taking him anything else like I did last time. I took way too much stuff. So in here I've just 1 bib, 1 pair of mitts, 2 hats, 1 muslin, 8 nappies and cotton wool, and that is it. So that is him done, and I just find that so much easier than having like 3 separate ages. So this one now is just my accessories. I do have a toiletry bag as well, but in here is all the nice stuff that we like talking about, but you know, it's got to be done. So first things first, in here, peri bottle. Everybody, if you're having a baby, you need a peri bottle. If you watch me regular, I bet you are sick to death of me talking about these peri bottles, but I just honestly, they're like a godsend. After you've had a baby, like, you don't understand. Just get the peri bottle, have the baby, and then thank me later. But yeah, this is it. It's basically a shower for your bits. Much needed after having a natural vaginal delivery, trust me. So that, I'm not going to talk too much about it because it's on my postpartum essentials. If you want to know about it more, just go and head over to that. But yeah, peri bottle is the first thing that's in that one. I've then got 2 nappy knickers. These were actually left over from Arthur and have just been in the drawer, but I actually never wore these. It was actually too warm. It was September and it was absolutely roasting, and these are so thick. They're fine in winter, but I just find in summer they're so thick, and you don't want to sweat down there. You just had a baby, you want to like let it air dry. So I've only got 2 of these left over from last year, but I'm going to take them anyway, but I probably won't use them. And then I've just got 3 thicker sanitary towels, which I probably will be using. I'll probably use the hospital ones just after labour. As I'm heading off to go home, I'll probably use these. I just prefer it to be like loose down there after I've had a baby. I've then got just nice big knickers. I've got 3 of them just in case I leak or there's any blood stains or anything, or I'm staying in. I've got 3 sets of knickers. And then I've got 2 nice nursing bras that are literally so easy to just slip on and off, and then they can just literally unbutton there and you can breastfeed. These are, when you breastfeed and your boobs are swelled, literally having a good nursing bra is literally the best thing ever. That's a Jojo Man, I think that's how you say it, bra. That was really expensive, it was like £36, but they're so worth it when you're breastfeeding. You just can't cut costs on things like that. So yeah, 2 good loose nursing bras are a must. And that is literally all my like underwear, pads and postpartum care, like a peri bottle. That's all I'm taking. 2 nappy pads, 3 thick pads, a peri bottle and 3 pairs of knickers and 2 bras. That is literally all I'm taking. Then my toiletry bag. I just find after birth, that first shower, and I've mentioned this before in my postpartum vlogs, that first shower is literally the best thing in the world. And you just feel so groggy, and then having that shower is amazing. So in here, I've actually got a toiletry bag for this instead of them big pocket bags. I just find I like having a little toiletry bag. So in here, I've just got literally pocket size shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And let me just tell you a story about this. Sam was nipping to home Bargains to get himself some dinner for work, and I just asked him to pick me some shampoo, conditioner and shower gel up, pocket size, just so it can fit in the bag. So he picked me up Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and look at the shower gel he picked me up. Now if you know about this, it stings like a biatch. Imagine you've just given birth and you wash yourself with that and it gets down on your bits. I was like, Sam, I'm gonna burn to death with that. I said, have you ever had that? Even like washing your face with that, I think it burns your eyes, your ears. And he was like, oh, I didn't know. But I was grateful that he went. So we're taking that. I don't know if I'm going to use it because it's a bit of it's a bit risky when I've just given birth and I might be cut down there. So yeah, we'll take it anyway, but don't get that if you are packing. So we've got that, we've got deodorant, some nice face cream. This one is Wellada. I actually live by this. It's really good. It's got no toxins in it, it's organic, and it smells so nice. I think it's lavender. So this is my go-to face cream. We've got some baby wipes, toothbrush and toothpaste. And then there we've just got one big bobble if I just need to whip my hair up. It's easily done. So that is literally everything in my toiletry bag, and it is, I've put a little label on it, which is just deodorant, wipes, toothpaste, toothbrush, face cream, bubbles, hairbrush, shampoo, shower gel, conditioner and hairbrush. And then to finish that TikTok shop bag off, we've got my TENS machine. Basically this TENS machine kind of saved my life in labour with Arthur. When you're in the first stages of labour, having this on, it really does help. So this is the TENS machine, and it's just got all different things, but this in labour is amazing. And I'm just checking, it is fully charged, and we have 4 pads, so that is ready to go. And then on my first pack with me video, my first baby, I think I've packed 3 blankets. Who needs 3 blankets? I'm just taking this one, which has been embroidered. It's nice and loose, and it's got his name on it, which I can't show you, but it's a nice sage green, and I thought that's really nice for spring. That is 1 bag done. And then second is just literally my nightgowns and like coming home outfits. I just got in this Health Studio bag, which I use for work, but I'm going to use it now. So this time I'm taking with me some loose pyjama pants and a nice loose top to go with, just like that, which smells nice because I've washed it. And then I'm also taking a nice loose nightgown, but I don't know if it'd be too cold for that because it's going to be April time, I think, that I'm going to have him. So I've just took a pair of pyjamas just in case. I had Arthur in September and it was absolutely roasting, and I slept in my bra and knickers the whole time I was there because it was roasting. It was like one of the hottest Septembers we've ever had. So yeah, I've got them. I know a lot of people get like different nice like little nightgowns for giving birth, but At the time, you literally do not care what you've got on. I had a hospital gown on giving birth to Arthur, and it was absolutely covered in blood, so I'm glad I never used any of my stuff, because after I give birth I could get changed into my nice pyjamas. And then I've got 3 pairs of socks, and then in here is my coming home outfit, which is just another comfies. It's just literally these really stretchy cotton pants, really comfortable, really stretchy, because you just need comfort when you've had a baby. And then just this top to go with, and I thought that's a nice contrast. So that goes in there. That is my bag done. So that's everything that I'm packing, and then just extras what I need to pack when we're literally heading out the door ready to go to the hospital is my medication, my multivitamins, my phone charger, water, snacks, sports drinks, my cholesterol, which is in the freezer, but I do take that with me just in case I'm unable to feed baby. They've got my cholesterol, and my camera and my camera charger. So yeah, oh, and baby's dummies because they need sterilising. So yeah, that is it. I can't believe I'm ready to go. I'm packed. So I've got this bag, and this bag. Yeah, so I just want to say, if you've got all the way to this video, all the way to the end of this video, thank you for watching. And I don't know when you'll see me next. Obviously I'm only 36 weeks, so I should be vlogging for a couple more weeks, maybe. I'm going to say fingers crossed, but I would like babies to come a little bit early this time. Yeah, so thank you, and I'll see you next week. Love ya.